What's the meaning of centigram? Centigram. Centigram.
Centigram. Centigram. A centigram is a unit of measurement in the metric system, equal to 1/100th of a gram. This means that a centigram is a very small amount of mass, weighing only 0.01 grams. It is commonly used when measuring small quantities of substances, such as medications or precious metals. In everyday life, centigrams may not be a commonly encountered unit of measurement, but they are useful for scientific and technical purposes where precision is important. Overall, a centigram is a tiny amount of mass that is equivalent to 1/100th of a gram.